For sale, a Miller dimension 400 constant voltage, constant current DC welder. I don't know if it does AC. So here's the amperage adjustment, arc control, remote contact. I think this is just DC. The reason we cannot test it is because it's three-phase. So 230 volts or 460 or 575. 175 volts, but it's all three-phase, so I have no way of testing it here. Although we can easily test the wire feeder. Works fine, no issues whatsoever with it. Mechanism is in good shape, not rusted. Brass parts, the gun is good. It's a Bernard gun, by the way. Not much else to say. It's a very big unit. It's about 1 meter high, and it comes on a little cart that you can move around. Asking $950 for this baby. It should work fine. The place that sold it to me said they work fine, and usually these things are pretty indestructible. But you cannot test it here because I don't have three-phase here.